It's finally happening. $8,000 pickup trucks are no longer just wishful thinking, they're a game-changing reality. The 2025 market is redefining affordability, with 6 groundbreaking models leading the charge. But what's behind this dramatic shift? Why are manufacturers taking such bold steps? And which of these budget-friendly trucks is the right fit for you? Stick with us as we dive into these revolutionary pickups, beginning with one that's poised to bring a legendary name back to life. Most people don't realize it yet, but Subaru is reviving a legend, and it's about more than just nostalgia. The iconic Subaru Brat is making a comeback, poised to disrupt the compact pickup market in unexpected ways. Blending affordability, capability, and rugged appeal, this truck is set to become the go-to choice for adventure seekers and budget-conscious drivers alike. At its core, the new Subaru Brat packs a punch with a 2.0-litre boxer engine, delivering 180 horsepower and 200 pound-feet of torque, perfect for daily driving with a touch of adventure. For those craving more power, Subaru offers a 2.4-litre turbocharged engine, boosting output to an impressive 250 horsepower. But the real game changer? A hybrid powertrain is in the works, combining Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system with improved fuel efficiency, redefining budget-friendly off-road capability. The Brat's return isn't just about performance, it's about legacy. Originally launched in the late 70s, the Subaru Brat became an icon for outdoor enthusiasts with its quirky design and adventurous spirit. Fast forward to today, and Subaru has captured that essence with a modern twist. The compact two-door design keeps it agile, while the spacious bed ensures versatility for everything from camping gear to home improvement hauls. Subaru has further enhanced the Brat's off-road prowess with increased ground clearance, a durable suspension, and advanced all-wheel drive, making it ready for any terrain. It's not just a truck, it's an invitation to explore, whether tackling dirt trails or winding mountain roads. Inside, Subaru keeps things simple yet functional, prioritizing comfort and usability over luxury frills. With a starting price of just $8,000, the Brat is a true game changer, an affordable entry into the off-road world without compromising quality. Subaru's bold revival proves you don't have to sacrifice capability for cost. But while Subaru is bringing back a legend, Nissan is taking an entirely different approach. Let's take a closer look at how Nissan's compact pickup is making its mark. This isn't just another truck, it's a bold statement. While other automakers chase flashy tech and hybrid powertrains, Nissan is taking a different route, focusing on raw power, simplicity, and unbeatable value. At the heart of this truck is something rare in this price range, a robust V6 engine. Delivering 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, it's built to handle serious work, from towing trailers to hauling heavy loads and tackling rough terrain. With a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, this compact pickup outperforms many of its competitors. Paired with a smooth shifting 9-speed automatic transmission, it offers a hassle-free driving experience tuned for both power and efficiency. For small business owners, tradespeople, or weekend warriors, this truck is a game changer. Whether loading up tools, making deliveries, or hitting the trails, it's designed to get the job done without breaking a sweat. Nissan's decision to keep things simple is a breath of fresh air in a market overloaded with complex technology. Instead of oversized touchscreens and intricate systems, this truck sticks to what works: function over flash. By reducing unnecessary tech, Nissan ensures better reliability, fewer maintenance headaches, and a driving experience that's focused on capability rather than distractions. Inside, the cabin reflects this no-nonsense approach. While it may lack luxury materials, it's built for durability, featuring rugged surfaces and an ergonomic layout designed for daily use. The same goes for the exterior: bold, confident, and ready for anything, whether it's a work site, a dirt road, or a city street. Despite its power, Nissan has tuned this truck for efficiency, ensuring it delivers solid fuel economy without sacrificing performance. It's proof that you don't need gimmicks to create a great truck, just smart engineering and a focus on what really matters. This compact pickup is built for those who value substance over style. First-time buyers, small business owners, or anyone who needs a reliable truck without the high price tag. As competition in the compact truck segment heats up, Nissan's back-to-basics approach stands out. No unnecessary frills, just a capable, dependable, and affordable truck that delivers where it counts. But if Nissan's rugged simplicity caught your attention, wait until you see the next model, one that blends nostalgia with modern practicality at a price that's hard to believe. The Ford Ranchero is back, and it's more than just a nostalgic revival. It's a game changer in the world of budget-friendly trucks. Once a symbol of versatility, seamlessly blending car-like comfort with truck utility, the Ranchero is returning with a modern twist. With a starting price of just $8,000, Ford is making this iconic nameplate accessible to a whole new generation. Under the hood, the standard turbocharged 2.0-litre engine delivers 180 horsepower and 200 pound-feet of torque, offering the perfect balance for daily driving, light hauling, and weekend getaways. But for those who demand more power, Ford is reportedly developing a high-performance V6 variant, pushing over 280 horsepower, making it a true contender for drivers with heavier towing needs or those seeking a more exhilarating ride. With a towing capacity of up to 4,000 pounds, the Ranchero is built to handle small campers, trailers, and work equipment with ease. But Ford's plans go even further. A hybrid version is already in development, blending fuel efficiency with the brand's renowned reliability. And if the rumors of an all-electric Ranchero become reality, Ford could set a new benchmark in the compact electric truck segment, offering an eco-friendly option without sacrificing capability. Beyond performance, the Ranchero is designed for real-life practicality. Whether it's families loading up gear for a weekend adventure or small business owners transporting tools, this truck adapts effortlessly to a variety of needs. Buyers can choose between a 5-speed manual for a classic hands-on driving experience or a 6-speed automatic for modern convenience, appealing to both enthusiasts and first-time truck owners alike. What truly sets the Ranchero apart is its affordability. Ford's decision to price it at just $8,000 makes it one of the most accessible trucks on the market, perfect for budget-conscious buyers, small businesses, and first-time owners. This pricing doesn't just make it competitive, it challenges the industry's notion that capable trucks must come with a hefty price tag. The design follows this philosophy, prioritizing function over unnecessary luxury. The interior is durable and user-friendly, with intuitive controls and a cargo bed equipped with tie-downs and optional dividers for added versatility. It's a truck built to get the job done without distractions. The return of the Ranchero isn't just about reviving a classic, it's a bold statement that trucks can be affordable, reliable, and capable all at once. As Ford reintroduces this legend for 2025, all eyes are on how it will shake up the market. But while the Ranchero is redefining budget-friendly pickups, another automaker is preparing to challenge expectations. Mazda's upcoming compact truck is set to turn heads in ways no one saw coming. What if a truck could blend Mazda's signature sleekness with impressive power and affordability? That's exactly what Mazda's upcoming compact pickup aims to do. Known for its sporty sedans and innovative SUVs, Mazda is making a bold entrance into the compact truck market, and it's already turning heads. With a starting price of just $8,000, this pickup delivers cutting-edge technology, reliable performance, and striking design in an accessible, budget-friendly package. At the heart of this new truck is Mazda's renowned Skyactiv engine technology. The flagship model features a 2.5-litre turbocharged engine, producing an impressive 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful trucks in its class. Even the base model impresses with a 2.00-litre turbocharged engine delivering 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, offering serious capability at an unbeatable price. Thanks to Skyactiv technology, this power doesn't come at the cost of fuel efficiency, ensuring a dynamic yet economical driving experience. Mazda's compact pickup is designed to handle a wide range of driving conditions. Whether navigating city streets or tackling off-road terrain, it delivers performance without compromise. Unlike many competitors that use unibody designs to cut costs, Mazda has opted for a body-on-frame construction, a feature typically found in larger, more rugged trucks. This decision prioritizes durability, making the truck ideal for off-road adventures, heavy hauling, and everyday utility. Beyond performance, Mazda's compact pickup is a statement about the brand's evolution. Long respected for its reliability, Mazda continues that legacy with a truck built to last while catering to modern drivers. The exterior design reflects Mazda's signature sleekness, featuring clean lines and a bold stance that makes it equally at home on job sites and open roads. Inside, the cabin is designed with both comfort and practicality in mind, offering intuitive controls, a well-laid-out dashboard, and a driver-focused experience that makes every ride enjoyable. This truck isn't just another entry into the segment. It's a strategic move that expands Mazda's portfolio while staying true to its core values of innovation, performance, and style. The combination of power, efficiency, and striking design makes Mazda's compact pickup a game-changer in its class, proving that a budget-friendly truck can deliver far more than just practicality. While innovation often steals the spotlight, the Chevrolet Montana proves that simplicity and practicality remain the ultimate benchmarks. General Motors isn't just testing the waters in the compact pickup market. It's making a bold statement with the Chevrolet Montana. At an astonishing starting price of $8,000, this budget-friendly truck is set to redefine expectations, blending affordability with functionality in a way that challenges the segment. Under the hood, the Montana features a 1.2-litre turbocharged engine, producing 133 horsepower and 155 pound-feet of torque. While it doesn't chase the high horsepower figures of larger trucks, its powertrain is perfectly suited for daily tasks and light-duty jobs. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission for an engaging drive or an automatic option for added convenience, ensuring versatility for different driving styles. This balance of efficiency and practicality makes the Montana an ideal choice for those who need a reliable workhorse without excessive fuel costs. Beyond its engine, the Montana shines with its innovative cargo bed. Offering a generous 30 cubic feet of storage, the bed is designed with functionality in mind, featuring tie-downs and dividers to keep cargo secure. Whether it's tools for the job site, furniture for a move, or camping gear for a weekend getaway, the Montana adapts effortlessly to the needs of small business owners, contractors, and families alike. Inside, the Montana follows a no-nonsense design philosophy. The interior prioritizes function over luxury, with durable materials, an ergonomic layout, and easy-to-clean surfaces. Instead of chasing flashy technology, the Montana delivers the essentials, ensuring a comfortable and practical cabin for daily use. It's a refreshing take for those who value substance over style. Externally, the Montana strikes a balance between ruggedness and modern design. Its clean lines and practical features create a truck that looks at home on both city streets and rural work sites. This design makes it appealing to first-time truck buyers and seasoned drivers alike, offering a smart, approachable alternative to larger, more expensive models. GM's decision to re-enter the compact truck market with the Montana reflects a strategic shift towards accessibility and affordability. With vehicle prices steadily rising, the Montana arrives as a timely and necessary option for young professionals, small business owners, and budget-conscious families. It delivers the versatility of a pickup without the financial strain of a full-size truck, proving that a well-engineered vehicle doesn't need unnecessary gimmicks to be effective. While the Montana may not boast the latest high-tech features, that's precisely what makes it so appealing. By focusing on reliability, simplicity, and practicality, Chevrolet has created a compact pickup that delivers exactly what drivers need, no more, no less. This truck isn't just another addition to the lineup, it's a game changer in its class.